suddenly shows up in the yard. My view is that there's no need to remove them. There's basically 4 raptorial bird species that might frequent one's bird feeders in North America: the Cooper's hawk, sharp-shinned hawk, merlin, and American kestrel. The Cooper's hawk and sharp-shin are the most observed. They're both designed to catch birds in short sprints. Because of DDT poisoning and persecution, these hawks almost went extinct. Now they've invaded suburbia big time, partly due to bird feeders and protection from being persecuted. It saddens